Versatility meets precision with Flight's premier sterilization lineup. We are proud to showcase the Clave8 Plus, Clave16 Plus, and Clave23 Plus Class S sterilizers. Designed to deliver identical, high-performance capabilities tailored to your specific space. Whether you require the compact 7-inch, the mid-sized 9-inch, or the high-capacity 10-inch model, each autoclave features a dynamic chamber configuration that supports traditional trays or a 90-degree rotated cassette rack. Engineered with an advanced dual-locking safety door and a mechanical overpressure safety valve, the entire lineup promises uncompromising security during active operations. Every model in this lineup optimizes your daily workflow using state-of-the-art steam pulse injection technology to guarantee total steam penetration across every load. Seamlessly choose between pre-programmed configurations for unwrapped tools, wrapped packs, liquid or plastics, textiles, and prion cycles to suit any application. Running a complete wrapped cycle takes just 45 to 55 minutes. Thanks to our integrated closed-door drying system and Dry Assist technology, moisture is cleanly evacuated while the door remains locked, ensuring items emerge perfectly dry and protected from external environmental contaminants. For flawless record-keeping, every unit features a built-in thermal printer alongside an integrated USB data logger. Complemented by an expansive 10,000-cycle internal memory, your sterilization data is always protected and readily accessible, ensuring stress-free compliance auditing for your practice. Built as a true plug-and-play unit with an intuitive UI, it includes an integrated distilled water tank on top for easy filling, a wastewater tank, and an optional rear direct-to-drain setup. With an automated maintenance timer and no chemical requirements, choose your ideal fit with the Flight Clave Series.